अस्सलाम वालेकुम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. Welcome to my channel MD Paradise. I made a tutorial. You should make it yourself. Have a pair of plain chappal. Make fashionable summer look. You can surprise your friend using simple macrame knot. Like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. Create these awesome sandals with ribbon and beads. I can use simple ribbon, 0 number ribbon and beads. This tutorial will help you decorate your own boarding shoot. I use macrame knot. This is called square knot. You can see the result. Beautiful. Step-by-step instruction showing in my video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.